Ere mari rungu rwa mubango wa UHC na mamukagira mishara ya kuma thirikari nene riu maronekana gutiganirio o ni thutha wa kanjo ya mangabana kuga ndeko mamukira ta uria minister wa UGIMA wa MWIRI Ndugamano arathanite.
We've had COG handling this issue.
Ndeteno eyumiririe hindi ya mucemanio wa kanjo ya mangabana, gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi na uria ni muikariri gite wa kamite ya UGIMA wa MWIRI akiuga manathi aya makoretwo makiriho mucara munini gukira aria mari rungu rwa county.
The CS has issued a directive. He has purported that he's going to transfer the payroll for the UHC staff to the counties. And the position of the governors who are here today is that we will not be accepting a payroll that is not properly construed, because the UHC staff since 2020 have been on a job group that is very discriminative compared to their colleagues.
Kiambiriria kia mweri o minister wa UGIMA wa MWIRI Ndugamano, kanjo ya mangabana na atongoria a ikundi cia gutetera arigitani ni maiguithanirie thama ya manathi aya, no riu kanjo ino yugite no nginyagia thirikari yongerere na erekererie kigina gitanyihiire MBIRIONI 10 ya gukinyaniria thama ino.
Almost I think a third of the salary that the rest of the colleagues earn. That contract is coming to an end next year. We don't see the urgency that is there for the ministry to transfer a contract that is coming to an end in a year's time, when it has been on for the last 6 years, at the same discriminative job group that the UHC staff are out there about.
Manathi aya mandikirwo wira hindi ya king'oki gia COVID-19 na thama yao itanyitwo kuhaneka kiambiria kia mweri wa mugwanja, no ni kwa kuiganira kwa manathi aya makoretwo makirungana na gutetia thirikari.
The ministry keep the payroll as long as they don't provide the prerequisite resources in the equitable share to be able to pay for this staff onward.
Maya magithiaga na mbere kanjo ino ni komithetie thirikari nene ne guthie na mbere na kunyihia kigina gia thirikari cia matura.
It is unfortunate. For quite some time we have observed that there has been an attempt to claw back on devolution by clawing back on functions. Sometimes functions don't follow resources, and all of you are well aware that at the beginning of this financial year about almost 20 billion was taken away from counties. This one denies the residents and the citizens in the counties of fundamental services.
The Council notes with concern that the Division of Revenue Bill 2025 proposes an equitable share allocation of Kenya shillings 405 billion, far below the Council's recommendation of Kenya shillings 536.88 billion.
Kameme TV gikuhe horo gitau jeta gitau wa Wanjiku.